Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Hope you are well. My today's talk is about the commencement of railway operation from Friday. The 1035 kilometer long China-Laos railway, a signature project under the China Proposed Belt and Road Initiative BRI, officially went into full operation on Friday. Chinese President Xi Jinping and Lao President Thongloun Sisoulith witnessed the opening of the railway via video link. The opening of the China-Laos railway will make Laos's dream of becoming a land-link hub come true. China will ensure the maintenance and security of the railway and build high quality, sustainable and people friendly economic belts along the route, President Xi told Lao President. A video link. Xi stressed that both China and Laos adhere to the leadership of the Communist Party and the socialist orientation, which is the essence of their bilateral relations. The two sides should jointly safeguard the political and institutional security of China and Laos. The first train of the China-Laos railway left on Friday afternoon soon after the cross-border railway was officially put into operation. Among the cargo loaded on the train were potash products manufactured by a China-Laos joint venture named Sino-Agri International Potash Company, according to the Xinhua news agency. The thrill of getting on board new bullet trains in Laos, where locals' impression of railway had long been underwhelmed by a 3.5 kilometer run down railway connecting Laos capital Vientiane and Laos border with Thailand, is seen as effectively silencing unfounded Western criticism over BRI enable benefits, according to regional affairs watchers and those participating in the Dream Come True project. The China-Laos Railway, the biggest public project in Laos's history, links Kunming of southwest China's Yunnan province with Laos's capital Vientiane, including a 106 kilometer section from Kunming to Yugji in Yunnan with a designed speed of 200 kilometers per hour, which had already been put into operation in December 2016. The China-Laos Railway is envisioned to directly boost cargo connectivity, turning Laos from a landlocked nation into a logistics center in the Southeast Asian region, facilitating interconnectedness between not only China and Laos, but also between Laos and ASEAN and between China and ASEAN. Gu Jiangshong, Dean of the ASEAN Research Institute of Hainan Tropical Ocean University, told the Global Times on Friday.